If you are struggling to hit your 4,000 watch hour on YouTube, you might be making one simple mistake. And the truth is, it's not about posting more videos. It's about doing this one thing daily that most creators are ignoring. So stay with me, because by the end of this video, you will have a simple daily system that you can literally use to double your watch time. Now, getting monetized on YouTube, it feels hard, especially when your videos are barely getting views or people click and leave after a few seconds. But here is the good news: you don't need to go viral to reach 4,000 watch hour. Debunk that statement. Not everybody on YouTube now that has started YouTube now has gone viral to be able to get 4,000 watch hour. It's either they are getting 10,000 views on like 3 to 4 videos, and if the average view duration on that video is very strong, they will be able to hit their 4,000 watch hour so fast. So you just need consistency and the right daily strategy, and that is the strategy I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. One thing you need to do daily. Most creators focus on views, but YouTube actually pushes video based on watch time and audience retention. So instead of asking, how do I get more views? Ask, how do I make people stay longer to watch your video for a very long time? The first thing you need to do is study one successful video in your niche daily. Yes, and I'm going to be showing you how to do that. I'm going to be sharing my screen with you right now. Now, instead of taking your channel to ChatGPT and telling ChatGPT how to analyze your channel for you and give you video ideas, you can just do this directly from your studio. So right now I'm in my YouTube studio, and as you can see, you are going to see at the top right corner of your YouTube studio something like this. Ask Studio. This is a new feature that YouTube brought out so that you can be able to get your 4,000 watch hour fast. And now, to be able to access this totally, new channels are not able to access this, especially when you are a channel that has not put in a lot of video on your channel. You need to have more than 50 videos on your channel. Like, your channel needs to have a lot of videos for you to be able to access this. Now, what you need to do is you're going to ask this your studio to give you, now give me a video, give me my next video idea using my most viral content to enable me get more watch time. So if you tell it more watch time, so it's going to give you so you are going to click on this button right here, and it's going to take you to, it's going to start review your requests. Then it's going to look through your content. That is what this setting does. Then it's going to now give you a guide. So now this is the guide. Hello, grow with blessing. Based on your channel performance, your most viral content by a significant margin is your guide on getting 4,000 watch hour. The video has brought in over 10,000 views and massive amount of watch time compared to your other upload. You see, now this is what, if you are in my niche, or you are going to still apply it to your own niche also. You are going to do similar video that has the most viewed, that was the most viewed and the most watched, because I noticed that this video gave me a lot of watch time, a whole lot of watch time. Almost half of the watch time I have on my channel, this video gave it to me. So that is what I am trying to replicate right now, and that is what you should be replicating on your channel. When you do this, it's going to give you a whole lot of views, a whole lot of watch time. Let's not even talk about the views, a whole lot of watch time. First thing you need to do is to hook your audience in the first 5 seconds. Now, your intro does not need to be boring. You do not need to say, hello guys, welcome back. No, you have to go straight to the point. Give it a hook that is going to catch their attention, like something like, you are losing watch hour because of this mistake, or this is what I did when I went to the market yesterday. That is going to hook them to want to stay and make them feel that they need to keep watching. Now, the second thing is that you have to use loop. It is very powerful. use loop, open loop. Tell viewers something that is coming and don't reveal it immediately. That is how YouTubers that have good average view duration on their video win in 2026. Now, for example, you have to say, and number 3 is what helped me gain 1000 watch hour in a week. That is, you know that you're going to give them the 3 points. So the third point is going to help them gain 1000 watch hour in a week. So they are going to stay to want to watch till you say the third point. That is how it goes. Now they are going to stay to the end if you do this. The third thing here you have to do is you have to make longer videos from 8 to 12 minutes. Short videos won't get you your 4000 watch hour fast. If you are making videos of 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, you are not going to get 4000 watch hour this way. Now the longer the video, the longer the watch time, the more people are engaging, the more people are staying to watch your video. Now, the fourth thing you are going to do, and this is not the end, you don't just say goodbye, you end your video with a loop. Instead of saying that if you want to go faster, watch the next video, this keep people on your channel. They want to check out your next video. So you have to give them a video recommendation that they can go back to and watch. Here's what most people don't tell you. YouTube is a watch time game, not a subscriber game. You could have 1000 subscriber, you could have 10,000 subscriber, and you could have 50,000 subscriber. I know that many of you are having that type of subscriber, but you are still struggling to get watch hour. Put it in the comment section if you are that type of channel right now that is struggling to get watch hour and you have the whole of the subscriber that you need. So, but one good system can change everything for you if you just follow this right step I have showed you in this video. Now, if you're serious about growing your channel and getting monetized faster, hit the subscribe button and turn on notification bell, because I break down simple strategies like this every single day. Before you go, you need to watch this video right here where I show you how you can get your 1000 subscribers fast. Trust me, this connects perfectly with what you just learned. So now I'll be seeing you in my next video.